What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Another video today. I'm gonna attempt to vinyl wrap my panniers. I had a Plasti Dip on there and it lasted a good year and a half before it started coming up, but it's a mess and I gotta do something about it, so stick around. We're wrapping panniers. And these are the Bmw Gsa boxes. Wrapping here. These are awesome boxes. Video coming out on my experience with these boxes, but these are great boxes. But keep cleaning them up. Yeah, this Plasti Dip, it's not too bad to get off. As long as you put it on thick enough, it'll come off pretty good. But I got some scratches on this plastic, but for the most part, that stuff protected these. These are awesome boxes. They're strong. The Tortec. All right, I'm gonna take everything off the outside here. These pucks and these latches make it easier to wrap. I'm gonna try Vivid Wrap. It's a matte black. It's my first go at it. My lid's all taped off and I'm out of vinyl wrap, so I'm gonna Plasti Dip my tops. I got them taped off, ready to go. I think it'll last all right. It lasted pretty good on the tops before, so all the curves and these little, I don't know, tie downs, I think it's too hard to wrap, so I'm Plasti Dipping. So here's the finished product. And I got wrinkles. My first time using wrap. I like the wrap. I like the way it looks. I think it'll last way longer, but I totally got a bunch of wrinkles on this one. This was the second one I did. This is the first one. It looks pretty good, actually. It's a little bit of wrinkle, but not too bad. I'm gonna ride it. I don't know how long this stuff will last, so I'm sure it won't be the last time I wrap them. But I did this Plasti Dip on the top. It looks pretty good, really. It definitely has a different texture. Like, the vinyl wrap feels better. This is kind of tacky. I think it'll last. I don't know. Who knows? If it don't last, I'll just redo it, but that's where I'm at for now. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.